Ready ka na magpakasal? Matutupad na natin yung pangarap natin. Let's go!
1, 2, 3, 4. Flow cooler than Milwaukee weather. Funky like your old granddaddy sweater. G.O.D. the reason why I'm even better. Big dreams with the big team, that's mega. Never been one to follow trends. If you're going east, you better bet I'm going west. Let me shake it up, let me shake it up. Let me break it up, let me break it up. I'ma say it loud cause I'm ready to go. Like Louis Armstrong, you can call me Satchmo. I'ma say it loud cause I'm ready to go. You can call me Satchmo.
Maraming salamat sa araw-araw kasi hanggang ngayon, nasa inyo pa rin ako kahit mag-aasawa na ako. Maraming salamat sa pag-aalaga.
I met you when I was 17 and you were 19. Two youngsters who had no idea what real love was yet. Hindi man nagtagal noon, our story never truly ended. Life pulled us apart, but somehow life also kept bringing us back to each other. For years, we had so many comebacks. Minsan masaya, minsan masakit, pero lagi may tayo sa dulo.
Ito naman sa sumunod na gwapo.
Pangalawa to. Aray na,
Ito, pangatlong gwapo na yan.
Hala.
Okay. Nagsimula yun nung nag-online bigo ako. Doon ko siya nakilala. Tapos hanggang magkita kami, doon na nagsimula yung pagkikita namin every year after 5 years. Ano kasi yung 10 years, on and off yun. So yung totoong naging kami ng dire-diretso, 5 years. January 10, 2020.
Ang payo ko lang ay yung, siyempre ang una ang Lord. Alam ko naman na napakabait nitong anak. Kahit walang matira sa kanya, walang siya ng good example. And basta, para sa akin, siyempre, nanay ako. The best.
Ayan, anak. O, ayan, mag-uumpisa ka na ng bagong pamilya. O, sana magtuloy-tuloy ang mga profesyon mo.
Standing here today, I know in my heart, this time, this love, and this moment is the last comeback because this one is forever.
Far from understanding, grew a forest from a tree.
Audrey.
Ngayon, ikakasal ka na. Sana, wag mo nang masyadong awayin si Russell. Sana pagsilbihan ko, ano yung nakikita niyong pagsisilbi ko sa papa mo, sa inyo. Ganon din sana sa pagpasok mo sa panibagong buhay. Kung ano yung nakita niyo sa akin na paggabay ko sa inyo, ganon din sana ang mangyari.
From the moment our path crossed, my whole world become brighter and steadier and more meaningful. You're my best friend. You're a safe place and the love that I never knew I could be grateful for. I promise to choose you every day. I promise to laugh with you, to grow with you, and stand by your side.
The weight of my perspective of what should or shouldn't be. about you.
Ang ganda naman ng baby kong yan. When you're tired, I'll be your rest. When you doubt yourself, I'll be reminding you of who you are and how deep I love you.
Thank you for choosing me through every season, through every version of us. Thank you for growing with me, for loving me, and for becoming the man I will proudly call my husband. I promise to build a life with you, not just a house, but a space filled with warmth, laughter, endless memories. Thank you, and I love you.
I vow to build a life with you rooted in the trust, patience, and joy to love you not only for who you are today, but for who you will become. You are my forever home and the greatest adventure, and I am honored to be yours.